5 mistakes to avoid during group discussions. Mistake 1. Not allowing others to speak. The aim of a GD is to come up with a possible conclusion to a given topic. And it is a team activity. So you should actually encourage others to speak and bring their points on the table. Your ability to work in a team is judged by this task. Mistake 2. Getting into arguments. If you disagree on some point, then you should politely show your denial rather than getting into arguments. Mistake 3. Speaking too loud, too slow, too much. Anything in excess is bad, so the balance of tone should be maintained. Speaking too loud makes it very ugly in professional setup. Too slow is obviously not audible and shows a lack in confidence. And speaking too much is pushing oneself too much by suppressing others, which are not perceived as an ice tray. Mistake 4. Thinking that rest is better than me and keeping quiet. Remaining quiet is the worst thing to do during a GD. At least you can re-emphasize on any topic already mentioned by some other candidate and add a small delta to it. Mistake 5. Missing out on opportunities like initiating the GD, summarizing the GD. Although this is not mandatory, one should try initiating a GD or summarizing it proactively. This helps in getting extra points among others.